Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a hotel-style omelet. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, a small pat of butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure you have an 8-inch non-stick pan ready, as this is crucial for achieving that perfect, smooth texture. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the eggs. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl. Add a small splash, about 1 tablespoon, of water or milk. This helps create a fluffier omelet. Whisk them vigorously for about 30 seconds until they are completely uniform, with no streaks of egg white visible. This aeration is key to a light and airy result, just like the pros make. Next, heat your 8-inch non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt until it's foamy but not browned. Pour in your whisked eggs. Let them set for about 10 seconds, then gently push the cooked edges towards the center, tilting the pan to let the uncooked egg flow underneath. Repeat this a few times. Continue cooking until the top is mostly set but still looks a little moist. If you're adding fillings, place them on one half of the omelet now. Gently fold the omelet in half using a spatula. Then, carefully slide it onto a warm plate. This method ensures a tender, creamy interior and a beautiful golden exterior, just like you'd enjoy at a fine hotel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.